All right, guys, I'm going to get y'all started on your image analysis for factors of prosperity. Okay, so this is what your worksheet looks like. Okay, so it says you will analyze images dealing with prosperity during the 1920s. For each image, you will identify which factor is being referenced and what clue helped you identify the factor of prosperity. Use the notes from 1920s Factors of Prosperity, a Growing Economy for assistance. Okay, so those are the notes that you just took. Okay, so it's your fill-in notes right here. So your topics are the ones listed here. So you're going to use each of these one time. We have the automobile, Henry Ford, other new industries, the Wright brothers, Glenn Curtis, Charles Lindbergh, more efficient production techniques, age of mass consumption, buying on credit, speculation boom, and uneven prosperity. All right, so let's take a look at our pictures. Okay, this is number one. Okay, I'm gonna not really give you answers in this, but I'm gonna just make sure that you're paying attention to everything in the pictures. Okay, so this is number one. All right, in the picture we have several guys in a vehicle. Okay, we have, looks like Uncle Sam is driving possibly. Okay, we have extravagance. We have state of war with Germany. We have war profiteer, meaning he's making money off the war. And all of these people are running over the taxpayers, okay? And we have one guy running over here too. All right, next we have the stock market is invincible. Buy, 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 experts advise. Okay, new easy credit, delays financial catastrophes until the 1930s. Wall Street spirits are soaring. New brain surgery techniques change the face of modern medicine. Okay, but make sure you're paying attention to this one. Stock market invincible. Okay, buy, buy, buy. Experts advise. Okay, next we have number 3. This says buy today, pay later. Okay, select what you need, arrange convenient terms, and enjoy immediate delivery. Okay, and this is Firestone, so you're probably buying like tires or something like that. All right, next we have a guy standing on top of all of his things. And you can see some of this stuff is modern things, but it's the same idea. Okay, and he's thinking to himself, I'm still not happy. Okay, so he has all of these things, but he's still not happy. What does that represent? All right, next number 5. Okay, we have an assembly line of the Ford Motor Company. Okay, you can see all of these guys doing their part on the assembly line. Okay. Next, we have someone standing in front of the Spirit of St. Louis. Oh, sorry, that was the bell. Okay, so more than likely you need to identify who this person is, and I'm going to try not to give that away, but he is standing in front of the Spirit of St. Louis. That's the name of his airplane. All right, next, this is the same picture that was, I believe, in the Prezi, okay, of another aviation pioneer. Okay, so you need to know his name. All right, number 8. Okay, still has something to do with airplanes, and we have 2 people here this time, so you need to figure out who these guys are. All right, number 9. Okay, it says stop washing the hard way. We have Maytag, a multi-motor washer. Okay, so we have a washing machine for sale. Every woman can, when the big 10-day sale opens, watch next week's paper for final announcements of special terms. We have a great 10-day sale. Okay, so which one does this one represent? Number 10, we have the Ford motor car. In the eyes of the chauffeur, is the most satisfactory automobile made for everyday service. The 2-cylinder opposed motor gives 8 actual horsepower and eliminates the vibration so noticeable in other machines. The body is luxurious and comfortable and can be removed from the chassis by loosening 6 bolts. Okay, and we have 2 prices. Priced with a tonneau, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is $900. And as a runabout is $800. And next we have number 11. Okay, this shows the increase. We have car owning households, so you're looking at the blue line. Okay, you can see where it is in about 1910, and then it starts going up higher and higher in the diagram, okay, in the line graph. So which one does this line graph represent? I think that would probably be pretty easy for you. Okay, and I believe that is it. Okay, make sure in your image analysis you are saying what clue is in the cartoon or the image that helped you identify the factor of prosperity for each one. Okay, and that is it for this one. If you have any questions, make sure you are sending a message to your teacher.